Hello, today we're at the Barnegat Lighthouse, located at the Barnegat Lighthouse State Park on the northern tip of Long Beach Island, better known as LBI. This lighthouse was first constructed in 1835 and it was first lit in 1857 and it was automated in 1927. So that's some of the facts about the lighthouse. We visited this on in early February. This time of year, the hours were, I don't remember the beginning when it opened, but the closing was 4 p.m. in the afternoon, and the actual lighthouse itself closed at 3:30. The lighthouse is open to tour. You can walk all the way to the top and look over the water. So it's a good little outing. They had hiking trails, nature trails around the lighthouse. There were some paths. There was some boardwalks and just some sandy paths. You could walk down to the beach, and they had sort of a boardwalk type of arrangement along the waterfront also. So it's not a very big park, and the admission was free. At least this time of year it was free. So it's a good little place to visit. It's pretty easy to find. Just put in your GPS, and it's very easy to get to. They had a decent sized little parking lot. So if you're looking for something to do on a nice day, consider visiting the Barnegat Lighthouse at the northern tip of LBI. So thanks for watching the video.